Hello everyone, it's Fatan. Today we're going to write a program that will check if the given value is a perfect number or not. Perfect numbers are positive integers that are equal to the sum of their proper divisors. So as usual, we will start by importing this kind of class from the console. Then we will pick our public class. Then we will write our method. Then we will create a scan object called input. Then we will print enter a number, and we will declare a variable called number and integer variable and assign it to this. This means this will take the next integer as an input. Then we will use if statements and our method that I created here. So it's a Boolean method, and we will write public static Boolean is perfect integer number, and we will say integer sum equals 1, and then we will use a for loop for integer counter equals 2, and we will write our condition. Counter is smaller or equal to integer number divided by 2. Then we will write our update control. This will work at the end of each iteration. And it will just increase the amount of the counter variable by 1, adding 1. So it will just reassign the counter variable by adding 1. Then we will use an if statement here. If the division of this is equal to 0, sorry, if the remainder of this division is equal to 0, it will do this, so it will add a counter to sum. Then it will last till this condition is not true anymore. Then it will just quit from the for loop, and it will return this. And this means if they are the same, it will return true, and the system will print number plus is a perfect number. And if this is not true, it will just return false. And this will return false, and the system will print number plus is not a perfect number. So let's run the code. For example, 6 is a perfect number and 7 is not a perfect number. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.